Okay, let's take a start. Speaking part one. Is there good scenery in your hometown?
I'm from Lahore and it is located in the mid of Punjab. Yes, to the answer of your question
To
is
answer your
to
question,
answer of your question is my city is called City of Gardens. Especially, it's having a beautiful lake, and I love my city very much.
listen, this answer is not connected with the question.
I'm
The
sorry.
question is there good scenery in your hometown? So you talked about lake and then say there is a beautiful lake which gives a spectacular view. This is then it is going to be linked. What is the question? Is there good scenery? Focus scenery. Don't focus lake. Take
Okay.
lake as a scenery. Okay? Let's go on. When you travel, do you like to live in hotels with good scenic views?
Yes, I would like to book a room uh, near a good scenery place, but it's totally depend on the where I'm traveling to. I would like to book. I usually love to travel on northern areas where I book my room in mountains, near mountains where I am having a good view.
Okay, good. So there is some repetition. Avoid that. Okay. Do you like to take pictures of good scenic views with your smartphone?
I love to capture pictures or having a photograph with, for the beautiful sceneries. I get inspiration from this beautiful sceneries. I usually buy a Canon cam for for to capture these pictures. I love to capture pictures from this.
Okay, most of your sentences are starting with I, and then you make another one without connecting them properly. So please connect the ideas. Is there good scenery in cities or in urban areas?
No, nowadays in urban areas are having a very beautiful largest buildings, and so there are uh, reducing the sceneries in urban areas. But some of my, if you talk about my cities, it's having a beautiful sceneries. Like we are sitting here, we can get a beautiful view of golf ground around there.
Okay, this is better. Overall, your language is good. Connect your ideas. Try to organize your answer properly and no repetition of same sentence, right? Let's go on. Okay, do you like to watch movies or shows that make people laugh? Means, do you like to watch comedy programs?
Oh yes, I love to watch movies like Zakir Khan and Indian show like a comedian who is like BBQ Wines and a Pakistan show which is named by Loose Talk. Yes, just to answer your question, I love to watch
Comedy
comedy
programs
programs
or
like
comedy shows?
comedy.
Right. Do you usually make your friends laugh?
Yeah, I think so. It depends on the moment and depends on the situation where you are standing. Or sometimes I usually make my friends laugh.
Okay, so you should say a little more about it. Sometimes I make my friends laugh, especially when we are eating something or drinking something. That time I take that opportunity and I say something funny, and then we give a burst of laughter, something like
Sure.
that. Are you the kind of person who makes people laugh? Means, are you a funny person?
Yes, I think so. I'm a funny person, but sometimes I just become so
Serious?
serious. But all depends upon the situation. So just answer your question. I think so.
Uh, to answer
Just to
your
answer your
question,
question, I would like to say sometimes I'm so funny, but sometimes I'm too serious.
some
I'm
too
too serious.
serious. Okay. Do you think it is important to laugh with friends?
Yeah, I think so. It is too important to laugh with your friends when you are sitting and or eating something like that. Actually, the laughing makes a good relationship with your friends, and it strengthens your bond with
It
your friends.
strengthens.
It strengthens your bond with your friends.
Okay, so to
So
but like
just to answer your
yeah,
question, yeah,
I think it is really
it is really
important to,
important.
or it is crucial to laugh with friends.
Yeah.
Overall answers are good. There are few grammatical errors, and try to connect your ideas together and focus proper beginning, middle, and ending of your answer.
Sure, sir.
Right? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.